I'm using egg carton as filler for my pumpkin. This is what it is. I've collected a few. They tear easily, so it's easy stuff to maneuver. Wasn't that fun? Fun again, huh? Like a little magic once in a while. So fill up a garbage bag. Squish the love handles. Get it? Tie the knots to get all of it tightly in there. And squish, squish. String, scissors, cut, and tie. Tie until they are tight, 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 because you want to create the wedges of the pumpkin. We're trying to form the shape, so that way you actually see it once this is done, and give you a little time lapse of what I'm doing. I just wanted to create this all by myself, so I did. A little exercise in clearing your mind, I suppose. A demonstration of how you tie a knot all by yourself. Squish as much as possible because you really want that round pumpkin sort of shape. Don't be afraid to move the string around because you want to get it in the right spot, which is what I'm doing right here. Squish those little love handles of that pumpkin. Just do it. Do it, I tell you. Keep all the string. You don't want to get rid of this. Gypsona. This is what I had instead of paper mache, so I was going to use it. It's what was in my stash. Ta-da! Don't you just love it when things cut themselves just like that? It's super easy to maneuver. You just dip it in water, place it where you want, and then rub it into all the grooves to take the shape of what you want it to take. So in my case, this is the pumpkin. You want to break down the plaster in the strips, so you want to rub them in place. Once it's done, you use that string to hang it so it can dry overnight, or as long as it takes. I believe it was overnight, although it took a while for me to get to it. Good night. Good morning. This is foil, just kitchen foil I'm using. I just want to make a stem for the pumpkin. She deserves a stem, so I'm just squishing it into place to take the shape of a stem. So you can kind of make whatever kind of shape you want. I just want it to be simple. Once more, once you get the shape in, you pop it into place and lock it down with that plaster bandage. So deeply satisfying to watch this, isn't it? You cut the string off, tuck it, and then wrap that baby into place as well. Ta-da! This is what it looks like when it's done. You see the wet look on top? Because it's wet basically, so you leave it to dry as usual. Or me knocking the table over and over again. You enjoy that? That's what it sounds like when it's fully dry. Let's cut this pumpkin open, shall we? This part is deeply gratifying. Pull out the string, And this is the hollow pumpkin. What do you think? Me like it. I is going to give this baby a face. Let's go. Now can you be scary? Huh? What do you think? Let's give her 2 eyes. After all, she does look cute, doesn't she? Is that creepy or what? We don't want her too serious, so let's give her a smile, shall we? Dry decks. This is essentially spackling, the stuff you fill holes on your wall when you nail and take things out. So I'm just using it on certain parts of the pumpkin where I had cut and made it a little bit wobbly, so to speak, because that's all the gypsum I had, so I had to make use of what I had left over. I wasn't going to buy anything new for this project, just what I had left over. It is pink when you take it out of the tube, and when it dries, it goes white. And this is what she looks like on the inside, just as pretty as the outside.
One hour later.
Let's color her a pumpkin color, shall we? It is deeply gratifying to paint. It's very cathartic, simple. I was outside listening to the sound of the cicadas. More pumpkin. Add a little wine to it and color her grooves. She was a little too pumpkin-y for me, so I darkened her top. We'll see in the reveal in 3, 2, 1.
Live people ignore the strange and unusual. I myself am strange and unusual.
Is that for real? Oh no. You look way better than I do.
You look like you're ready for a cover of G2 of some sort. Toronto G2. I don't know. Oh no, sorry, GQ. What am I saying? Yes. I can't really see.
Hey, you're filming.
Not creepy at all.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.